प्रीटी बनीज। तो आज मैं लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए एक मिनीसो हॉल। दिस वन इज सुपर ह्यूज एंड लेट मी शो यू द बिल। आई हैव लिटरली गॉट दीज मैनी थिंग्स। तो ये मैं कैसे शेयर नहीं करती, इतनी सारी चीजें जब लेके आई हूँ मिनीसो से, तो ये बहुत लंबी होगी। लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट। ओके, सो इस बार के हॉल में आई हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। लाइक इसमें होम का स्टफ भी है, क्यूटसी स्टफ भी है एंड लाइक द यूजुअल स्वीटनेस फ्रॉम मिनीसो। तो आई थिंक मैं होम का लास्ट में करूँगी एंड आई विल ऑल्सो पुट इन टाइम स्टैम्प्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। तो टाइम स्टैम्प देख के आप समझ जाएंगे होम का कहाँ है एंड यू नो लाइक द अदर स्टफ, क्यूट स्टफ कहाँ पे है। लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू दिस नाउ। So, okay, first let me start with this one. उसमें होम का ज़्यादा है। Finally, I have got myself lot of noise. Sorry. So finally, I've got myself this cute little. ये है जो you know those cute hairbands. You know the you put when you are like आप जब face mask and all लगा रहे हो. Everything almost 70-80% of the stuff here is like below $250 and उससे भी नीचे in many cases. So the first thing ये जो था. This guy is for $170 and it is so cute. Like you know, you can just take a look. इसमें एक छोटा सा bow है. Oh, the bow is removable. It's a removable bow like that. And इसको आप ये जब पहनोगे, it's gonna look so cute. मुझे ये particularly इसलिए पसंद आई because of the polka dots. Like you know, so cute. You can see that. So it's a very soft, fat, squishy fabric. So ये है एक चीज़. Okay, I have got a shit ton of like you know hair products and इसमें से है ये cute barrettes. ये हर एक barrett $100 की है and yep, most of them are all for 100 rupees. This is also very cute for children. So आपके पास school going children है तो like उनके लिए भी बहुत काम आएगी. These are small little barrettes और उसके साथ ये baby clips भी हैं. So it's like so cute. This if you're a teenager, this haul is definitely for you. तो ये जो है it's gonna look so cute. You know to try those kawaii kind of hairstyles and stuff like that. ये था another one in pink because these are very nice quality for just $100. So why not? सिर्फ 100 rupees में इतनी अच्छी quality है. Also a stash of these small ones. इसका एक close up डाल दूँगी. These are literally my favorite because ये जो है ना you can use these for like braids, bubble braids. बच्चों के लिए literally from 5 साल के बच्चों से लेके टीनेजर से के लिए एंड मैं ब्रेड्स बांधती हूँ समटाइम्स. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दीज फॉर दैट. वेरी क्यूट. दिस वन इज फॉर $170. ओके, फिर आई हैव गॉट सम मेकअप रिमूविंग वाइप्स एंड फ्रेश वाइप्स. ये है ऑल टाइप मेकअप रिमूवर, हाइड्रेट्स, नरिशेस रुपीज. सो ये $150 का है एंड इट हैज़ गॉट 30 शीट्स. सो आई थिंक दिस शुड बी क्वाइट गुड. Hydrate and nourish तो लिखा है. Okay, I got some more kits. Okay, this is you know like I have if like when you want to tie your hair up जब रात में सोते हो. So these are very nice for that. ये जो है बड़ा वाला, I literally think this will be so good for that. So that is that. These cute barrettes. Oh my God. आपस में these cute barrettes like that. I have gone ham on the hair accessories because मेरे पास literally कुछ नहीं है. मेरे पास बहुत गंदे cheap clips हैं which hurt the scalp like जब आप लगाते हो. This is such a cute little basket. ये $250 की है but this is for like you know मैंने तो अपने एक walk-in wardrobe के लिए लिया है to just stash some lipsticks and you know छोटी चीज़ें जिसकी कोई जगह नहीं बन सकती. So cute. लेकिन ये बहुत ही versatile है. You can use it for literally anything. It's just too cute for the kitchen if you ask me. बाकी it's so cute. Look at the color. ये मेरा favorite color है. So that was that. Okay, and then they have these a lot of their face masks. अभी I have also gone to another shop जो इससे भी cute है but उसका haul मैं बाद में करूँगी if you guys want to see. Okay, so here is another little storage box. ये है for pen and literally ये storage boxes तो आप कहीं भी use कर सकते हो like pens, pencils in your makeup box. Just like the color is so beautiful. Like you know. I love this color. This is for $230. Very cute. मैं हॉल में कुछ गिराऊँ ना वो आज तक हो नहीं सकता. Okay, this is a little छोटा सा purse. ये just change के लिए you know just like if you don't want to carry too much आप अपने इसको you know बैग में डाल सकते हैं. इसका जो प्राइस था literally इन्होंने इतने अंदर इसको डाल के रखा था. Like I think it's for $200 but I'll write it here. So this is like this a small little thing you know जस्ट दिस इज फॉर एवरीडे यूज, अगर आपको छोटा सा पर्स चाहिए, नॉट टू बिग, जो अगला की ना छोटी सी बैग्स के लिए. सो दिस इज क्यूट. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स थे. दे हैड लाइक यू नो आई थिंक येलो, वाइट, ब्लैक, बहुत सारे कलर्स थे, बट मी एंड माई पिंक, सो दिस इज माई फेवरेट. Okay, next thing is I'm coming to the home haul now, the home part of it. तो ये है एक छोटा सा टॉवल. ये मुझे इतने क्यूट लगते हैं. I had got so many, अब मुझे वो पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए. Some of them have been lost. I don't know where they are. But this is so cute. इसमें बहुत सारी वैरायटी आती है. ये जो है this was for $150. So ये जो है it's got a little thing to hang. ये मेरे हिसाब से सबसे न्यू बॉर्न अगर बेबी है उसके लिए अच्छा है. It's for a lot of things. You can wipe your face. It just looks so like, you know, like aesthetic type thing. So that's that. So as I said, I'm coming to the home part now. They had these ये जो you know लोग कपड़े clothes drying thing. तो actually ये जो है it's not a very big hit if you ask me. क्योंकि ये let me just open this guy up. This is not a very big hit because ये बहुत छोटा है. ये पैक था so I could not make out, लेकिन लेने के बाद I was like really sad because ये इतना छोटा है. So maybe न्यू बॉर्न वगैरह के लिए ठीक है. Already what are you doing? Okay. So these are those clothes hangers. Don't laugh at me. I needed these. And ये फिर भी बड़ा है. I've got 2 of these. The other one is literally so छोटा सा. लेकिन like I said, अगर आपके पास you know like small, if you have a newborn baby or something, other than that तो ये आप लीजिएगा मत because ये किसी भी काम के नहीं है. It's like $150 each. All right. The good part about Miniso is so much affordable stuff. Okay, this is a sewing kit. So this is a sewing kit and इसमें literally सारे colors हैं. I don't have a proper sewing kit. Do not laugh at me. I have picked up a set of toothbrushes. So I don't know if you know, but I just had tooth surgery in Jan. Just कुछ दिन पहले. ये लंबा चलेगा महीनों it's a process of 3 months. 3 से भी ज़्यादा शायद. So I have been told by the dentist to use only soft bristle toothbrushes. So you know like I mean like I just thought that this would be up the alley. इतने cute colors हैं. तो ये I think पूरे family के लिए अच्छा है because it's good for all of you to use soft brushes, not like very hard ones. उससे ना enamel घिस जाता है. That's what I was told. So these are very super cute and these are for $230 rupees. These are for $230. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 brushes for $230 in such cute colors. So family में कोई भी you know like everybody knows किसका कलर कौन सा है. That was that. And then one thing I would like to tell is these hooks from Miniso. ये hooks की quality at least last जो मैं लाई थी इतनी अच्छी थी. I have had them on for I think years, 1 or 2 years. वो भी in the washroom, in the bathroom जहाँ इतना you know like moisture रहता है. We have a bath, water. Those have not budged. They are इतने अच्छे हैं वो. So I want to repeat the same thing. These are so nice. And इसको तो आप कहीं भी लगा सकते हो. In your bathroom, in your kitchen. I want to use them for my cupboards to you know just hang. I would like to use them in my cupboards just to you know like hang maybe ये जो chains वगैरह आती है ताकि वो entangle नहीं हो. इनकी quality बहुत ही top notch होती है. So I got 2 of these. इसमें से 2 तो मैंने निकाल लिए हैं. 1-2 plain थे. And these are the other ones. Let me give you. So these are one of my. These are actually the reason I went to Miniso because मुझे ये चाहिए थे. These are something you should have in your house. ये वो चीज़ है जो every house में एक literally must have है. This is a little nail cutter. ये बहुत cute है. इसका तो close-up भी देना पड़ेगा आपको. ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा ये. इतना cute है ये. So like you know just for babies to cut their nails. It's like a very cute thing. A little hairbrush. इस पे जो है Meow लिखा हुआ है. So cute. This guy is for $200. Very cute. इसके आगे है ये pink bristles. It's so nice and like you know I kind of like really like it. So ये एक है. The other thing is these you know ये scrunchies तो नहीं है, just rubber bands for the hair. I think these were all for $120. लेकिन मैंने वहीं पे खोल के I just you know tested out the strength of this because अगर ये बहुत ही ढीले हो तो they will not work in your hair. These are not very I will not say ये बहुत ज़्यादा tight है like you know sturdy है but they will do the job and like maybe 2. तो इसमें बहुत cute colors हैं very you know like pastel colors जो generally मिलते नहीं हैं. Maybe get very bright and so I like these for my hair. I go through these a lot और ये आपको पता है कि ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि किसी को पता नहीं ये कहाँ पे आए और कहाँ से गए. So that was that. And these are headphones. Very cute headphones. I have 2 of these. So literally cute है. इनके साथ एक छोटा सा केस भी आता है. These were a little. These are for $500 each. पूरे इसमें सबसे महंगा परचेज ये हेडफोन्स ही है मेरे. So one is in blue and one is in pink, and they have this cute little, there's a cute little box, a छोटा सा cute pouch to keep these, you know, like headphones in. So that was that, 500 bucks each. I think I'm coming, मेरा home का almost हो चुका है, I'm little back to a little bit of mix kind of a thing. तो ये है एक claw clip. The only thing is like they have very nice colors. बाजार में आपको अच्छे colors नहीं मिलेंगे, just the basic blacks, browns, whites. So this is a very cute color, and again I'm sure it's for 100 bucks or something like that. Yep, 100 bucks. That's right, 100 bucks. So that these are earrings, very sweet, these are very cute. ये 190 की है, बट आई थिंक व्हाट आई फील इज इनकी क्वालिटी थोड़ी अच्छी होगी. आई वॉन्ट स्मॉल इयरिंग्स फॉर व्हेन आई गो टू द जिम, सो आई डोंट लाइक लुक एकदम ये ना लाइक एक कुचड़ा हुआ एक सितारा. ब्रो आई डोंट नो हाउ आई मैनेज दैट, मतलब इट्स अ गिफ्ट. ओके, एनीवेज, सो हियर इज अ क्यूट सेट ऑफ इयरिंग्स, छोटा सा है, क्यूट सा है. अभी ये मुझे ये देखना है कि विल दिस लास्ट, लाइक H&M ज्वेलरी इज रियली गुड. सो अभी ये वैसा होगा या नहीं, आई डोंट नो. H&M ज्वेलरी उतनी चीप नहीं है, इट्स अ लिटिल बिट प्राइसियर. सो लेट्स सी इसका क्या होता है. द अदर थिंग इज दीज you know, face wipes, like when you're traveling and stuff. I tend to sweat a lot. ये just 70 rupees के हैं for 70 bucks. Face wipes, and इसके अंदर काफ़ी, I think 50 sheets है, quite a few sheets. I'll just put this down below. So this is 70 bucks. Very cute bears. ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है बच्चों के लिए, but like it doesn't give a like really matter, like, you know, I mean, like just use it for yourself. Another, these are for my braids. I get all this for my braids because ये जो colors हैं, these are literally so cute, so quiet, and like ये मिलते नहीं है to be short, because मैंने literally इतने markets ढूंढे हैं searching for stuff like this. I have not got this, and also those metal clips. This is a little post-it note, so adorable. 50 bucks. This was for 50 bucks. The post-it notes are very cute. इनका stationery section बहुत ही प्यारा था. So I have got some other stuff here. Okay, we are nearly coming to the end of the haul. I hope I didn't rush through it. ये और post-it notes हैं. So these are not that much like these are just good for like when you're reading. जैसे आप like for I keep a list of things to do. I have a book. तो उसमें क्या है ना, ये you can just color tag it, so you know which topic is where. This is a very cute little diary, so you're gonna laugh at me, but like घर के लिए, you know, like just for house purposes, like when I give the clothes to the Mobi who has lost 3 of her clothes, तो उन चीज़ों के लिए I need a nice diary to keep things like, you know, written. एक account तो रखना ही चाहिए. So ये है diary. It's so adorable. Look at it. Comes with this. ये तो शायद आप, you know, if you wanted to keep it, and ये बच्चों के लिए ज़्यादा है, but this stuff is just so cute, so like, you know, doesn't really matter. ये ऐसा है. You can also give it to your child. It's for you. It's for anybody. They had 2 or 3 in this, so this is like that. It's plain inside. कुछ भी लिखा नहीं है. Like, you know, just use it for whatever you like. It comes with this little pen. It comes with a little pen, and this cute little diary was for 220 bucks. And with that we come to the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. बड़ी cute चीज़ें थी. So my total was something like 6.5k, and I guess उसमें home का stuff भी ज़्यादा था. But this is all I got, and I have one more haul which is so cute. That is from a different brand which is very similar to Miniso. तो आप मुझे comment में बताइए if you want me to make a haul on that as well. वो इतनी cute है, very cute. So that's it from me for now, and I'll see you super soon, hopefully. Bye.